What up? How y'all doing? Listen, I ain't been up on here in a minute. I'm sorry if I got a little hair on me. I just left out the barber chair or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I said, let me get up on here and talk a little bit because I ain't been up on the screen in a minute and I miss y'all. So I said, we gonna go ahead and shift gears on this whole thing up on the channel and everything because I said, let's talk about some things that's going on with me. I told you all before that I was getting involved or, starting to learn how to trade Forex, gold, and things like that. And so, I was just trying to bring you up to speed on my journey and how it's been like, my journey is kind of like the charts right now. So it's kind of real up and down, but I feel like that I am becoming a lot more consistent as far as with my strategy and stuff. My thing is I have to really combat with my own psychology and things like that because I'm fairly new to trading. I was introduced to it, about 7 years ago, but this is like my first year actually really delving into it and everything. And so it's just like an up and down journey. But I will say that, I'm kind of understanding things a lot better, but it's really my psychology behind it. I've been trying to do better with like risk management and stuff. And if anybody that's ever traded before, y'all already know gold like to do crazy stuff or whatnot, likes to do wicks and all this and reversals and everything like that. I'm good on everything like that. My thing is, I think I need to get better with my stop loss placement. I did go through like this little phase where I was like, the brokers, they trying to get me, they trying to take my money, but I'm just sitting here like, no, these trades that you are taking are like actually high quality, but your stop loss is always placed in a retracement phase. That's something that I'm actually coming to realize for myself and everything. And so it's actually kind of hurt my account just a little bit. Some of the money that I built up over the weeks, kind of lost it a little bit this week. Some of it, not all of it. I haven't blown my account. I'm not doing that shit no more. So whatever funds that was lost, it can be made back in 1 or 2 trades, trust. But it is what it is. Just was, a little bit anxious and stuff. And one thing I did realize about myself is that if I start out the day with a losing trade, like say if I wanted the trade to be XYZ, I wanted to go bull and hit XYZ TP. I notice if I lose a trade, I tend to kind of low-key, without really admitting to myself, but it's like real low-key, a kind of revenge trade. And it's real subtle, but it's like I gotta get that money back. It's not that I say it to myself or anything like that, but I find myself entering more trades with less high quality setup. So that's one of the things that I'm actually coming to the realization and the epiphany for myself, so, which is a good thing, that I'm actually starting to realize that it's not my strategy, it's not the brokers, it's not anything like that. Like my strategy actually works. It's really like top notch. I just got to work the strategy. And that's one thing I have not been doing, being really impatient and things like that, trying to rush the process and, letting some of my, FOMO and stuff get the best of me. I need to just be calm, chill, cool, and collected and realize that the markets and stuff isn't going there. So this right here is a message to anybody that's like a new trader out there. I want you to understand that, we all going through this. It's just part of the process and stuff. We got to always keep our emotions and things like that in check, because if not, it will hinder you from becoming profitable whenever you do actually get onto the charts and stuff. So for anybody that's out there that's, feeling like they at a stagnant point or something like that, just know that we all in this together. I'm a struggling beginner trader or whatnot, that's on my way to becoming profitable with the right patience and the right, confluences measuring out for me. I can really see, what can happen. I'm starting to focus my energy more so on just, making sure I'm hitting my strategy, and less about, the gains and things like that. One thing I do need to actually, control is me taking what the market is giving me. I like to try to, because when you done got used to a 60, 70, 80 pip, 140 pip run, and the market only giving you 20 pips that day, you like, damn, let me try and hang in here and see what it's gonna do, thinking that you're gonna use your telekinesis or whatever the hell to move the market, and it just don't work like that. So I gotta get better with actually taking what's offered for the day. And if that's 20, 30 pips, that's 20, 30 pips, you know what I'm saying? And I think me just more so being satisfied with what's being given will actually, really take me to another level and everything. Because I've actually tried the strategy. The shit works, okay? It's really just me. And I think the quicker that we realize that, a lot of this is just us and everything like that, I think the better off that we'll be, as beginner traders. Like, instead of trying to blame everybody else, like, just get back to the drawing board. So what I've been doing is really like immersing myself into like education and really understanding like fundamentals and stuff like that, so that I can be able to, trade a lot better and everything like that. So this is like a quick little video. I want you to know I'm going to be revamping the channel a little bit. We're going to be talking a little bit more about my Forex journey and stuff, and some other things that I got going on. I am going to start getting more consistent with these videos. I did take a little break. As you can see, I am a bald-headed hoe again, okay? Bald-headed hoe shit. All 2023, 2024, okay? And, yeah, so the hair's gone, and it's just a new mic or whatnot. And so we're gonna be talking about these things. I'm gonna be letting y'all in on, some of my personal, I'm gonna actually try to get into some live trading once I get, fully there. That way I can see my wins and my losses, and we're gonna do the damn thing, okay? I want y'all to know that I love you all. Hit the motherfucking subscribe button if you have not, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.